UK-based robotics company Humanoid has unveiled its HMND-01 alpha model just 5 months after the concept was first conceived. The rapid transition from idea to working prototype highlights the accelerated pace of humanoid robot development. Even more notably, the bipedal robot achieved stable walking in just 48 hours. According to Humanoid, a process that would traditionally require up to 19 months of conventional training was completed in only 2 days. The company attributes this breakthrough to simulation-led training and a fully digital design workflow, both of which played a critical role in accelerating development. After approximately 3.2 million seconds of training with minimal randomization, the robot was able to take its first steps. Training relied on NVIDIA's open-source robot learning platform, Isaac Lab, alongside detailed 3D modeling. Together, these tools generated more than 52.5 million seconds of locomotion data, helping bridge the gap between virtual simulations and physical performance. Once fully assembled, HMND-01 Alpha is equipped with 6 microphones, 2 depth sensors, and 6 RGB cameras. Processing is handled by NVIDIA Jetson Orin AGX hardware, paired with an Intel i9 processor. Designed for applications in logistics, manufacturing, and home assistance, the robot features swappable batteries that deliver up to 3 hours of runtime. Within that operating window, Alpha can manipulate objects, communicate through audio, displays, or LED signals, and coordinate tasks with other humanoid robots. Its mobility capabilities include walking, turning, squatting, hopping, and running. Building on the wheeled HMND-01 platform launched previously, Humanoid aims to position Alpha as a fast-moving, adaptable humanoid capable of industrial work. The company envisions the robot evolving alongside human workers, adjusting to a wide range of real-world use cases.